All right, welcome back. Welcome back. In today's lesson, I want to quickly show you how to install theme on your WordPress website. How to install theme. So once if you have installed WordPress on your website, you understand that you need themes for it to work. So for me to do that, I'm going to hover over to appearance, and I'll click on themes. So let us go. Now by default, WordPress comes with the 2023 theme, 2020. It comes with a number of themes. So what I'm going to do now is to, first of all, to delete them. I'm going to delete 2021, 2022. You see, I'm going to delete. So it's remaining this you cannot delete simply because that is the one that is active. So what I'm going to do now is to add a new theme. So you have option of uploading. If you have downloaded a theme somewhere and you want to upload it, you can upload it from here. But in this now, I'm going to download a theme called Ocean WP. Ocean WP. This is the theme that I am going to install. So this is the theme. I'm going to click on install. I'm going to click on install, and once it finishes its installation, I'm simply going to activate the theme, and that will be working. So I'm going to activate this theme. Click on activate. Once you install, you are going to activate. Now by default, the Ocean WP theme has a plugin called Ocean Extra that works with it. So what I'm going to do now is to install Ocean Extra. I'm going to click on install, and then that will solve the problem. Now if you check what is happening here now, you discover that we have Ocean WP as the active theme, and then the 2023 theme is now inactive. I'm going to skip this. I'm going to skip this. So go back to theme. Sorry about that. Go back to theme. I'm going to delete the 2023 theme. So for me to delete, I'll click on this window right here, this button, and then I will delete this, and that is how to install theme. Now it is interesting to note that once you install theme, installing a theme does not mean that your website will change. Once you install a theme, it affects only the header and the footer. Installation of a theme will affect only the header section. This is the header section right here, and the footer is here, just right here. So themes do not affect the design of your work. Don't worry, you can change theme when you want, but just take note that once you change a theme, you are going to also work on your header or design another header for your work. That is how to install a theme.